Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Beatrice, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make a magic circle, or some people call it a magic ring. Okay, so to get started you're just going to need some yarn. Any yarn will do to make the magic circle, and today I'm using a 4.5 millimeter and it's a 7 crochet hook, and it is an ergonomic crochet hook. It's not a regular thin hook. So let's get started. So what you want to do is just take your yarn, wrap it over 2 fingers, grab your hook and insert your hook under the yarn that's closest to the end of your fingers, and you go grab the other yarn and twist. Then you want to grab the yarn over here on this side and pull through, okay? And then you make a slip knot. Okay? So now what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and crochet 11 more single stitches inside this ring. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the thread, pull this through. Now you're going to pull on the tail that we started with the magic circle. We're going to pull this. Pull it very tight. Sometimes it takes a few tugs, okay? So just start pulling it tight. It just takes practice, okay? Then you can take your darning needle, or you can take your hook. We can take our hook and we can insert it at the end, and we can pull through that top stitch and connect them, okay? Make a slip stitch. Just keep pulling it tight. See how that made a nice tight magic circle. But we're going to be going through this in other videos. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something. But if you would like to learn about what stitches, how many to make if you're going to be crocheting a single crochet or a half double crochet or a double crochet inside the circle, please visit my channel and look for the other videos on the magic circle. And thank you for watching and thank you for stopping by, and I hope to see you in the next video.